Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to tell you in this video is reliable information from the mechanics here at the shop. So don't worry, because this will help you figure out how to solve this problem. When this message pops up on the dashboard of a Chevy, the first thing a lot of drivers think is that there's a serious issue with the stability system. But here at the shop, we keep seeing a really interesting pattern. Actually, it's not broken. What happens is that the vehicle's computer detects unusual data from one of the sensors that help keep the car stable and, for safety, temporarily deactivates the system until everything goes back to normal. And this is where the real solutions start to show up, shared by mechanics and customers at this shop. One of the most common causes is something as simple as a weak battery or loose battery connections. When the voltage drops lower than normal, several electronic modules start acting up, and the stability system shuts off to prevent errors. In fact, a customer I interviewed told me that here they either replaced the battery or cleaned the terminals, started the vehicle again, and the message disappeared, as if it had never been there. And that made me really happy. Along those same lines, another very common culprit is the wheel speed sensors, which also work together with the ABS system. These sensors tell the computer how fast each wheel is spinning. If one of them stops sending a signal or sends incorrect information, the vehicle can no longer calculate stability correctly, so the system prefers to shut itself off. That's why it's very common for the traction control light or the ABS light to come on at the same time this message appears. But wait, hold on, don't go yet. There's something else you need to hear. The problem isn't always limited to the wheel sensors. In many conversations between mechanics, another component comes up frequently, the steering angle sensor. This sensor tells the system which direction the steering wheel is turning. If it gets out of calibration, sometimes after an alignment, hitting a big pothole, or suspension work, the system might think the car is turning when it's actually going straight. That confusion causes the system to deactivate and the familiar message we're talking about to appear on the dashboard. Don't go just yet. There are other cases where the problem comes from electrical connections, fuses, or wires that aren't making good contact. Modern vehicles rely on many electronic modules communicating with each other, and if one of them stops sending data correctly, the stability system simply protects itself by shutting down. A customer I interviewed found out that the warning appeared after installing electrical accessories or because moisture got into certain connectors. Incredible, but true. In other words, this message shows up more as a preventive warning than as an exact diagnosis. What the vehicle is really saying is that some sensor or system related to stability isn't sending reliable information. So, my friends, I hope you found this information helpful. Please don't forget to leave a comment below. I'll be reading every single one of them.